Hello class ninth. Today we studied about animal tissues. Earlier we have covered plant tissues. Now we are starting with animal tissues. Animal tissues are of four main types. They are epithelial tissues, muscular tissues, connective tissues and nervous tissues. दे इनके और फर्दर सब डिवीजन है लाइक एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज़ जो हैं दे ऑल्सो फॉल इन फोर कैटेगरी स्क्वामस कॉलमुलर क्यूबॉइडल ग्लैंडुलर एंड देन muscular tissues are of three type: striated, unstriated and cardiac tissues. Then connective tissues: blood, bone, ligament, tendon, cartilage, areolar, adipose tissues, and then fourth is nervous tissues. So today we studied about the epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues is the covering or protective tissues in animals, like आपकी जो skin होती है. It forms the outer covering like skin, outer covering of organs, inner lining of blood vessels, lungs, esophagus, etc. It protects the body and controls the movement of material between the body and the surrounding and between the parts of the body. The cells are closely arranged and have a fibrous basement membrane. First, जो इसका टाइप है एपिथेलियल टिश्यू का, स्क्वामस एपिथेलियल टिश्यू. It consists of a layer of thin flat cells. It is present in the lining of blood vessels, lungs, mouth, esophagus. The skin has several layers of epithelial cells. This tissue is called stratified squamous tissues. Right? Second इसका जो type है columnar epithelial tissue. It consists of tall pillar-like cells. It is present in the wall of the intestine. The columnar epithelial tissue is the respiratory tract tissue. In the respiratory tract has hair-like projection which is called cilia. This tissue is called ciliated columnar epithelial tissue because of the cilia presence. Then comes third, cuboidal epithelial tissue. It consists of cone-shaped cells having a basement membrane. It forms the lining of kidney and tubules and ducts of salivary glands and provide mechanical supports. And fourth type of epithelial tissue is glandular epithelial tissue. Sometimes epithelial tissue folds inwards and form a multicellular gland which secretes substances. This tissue is called glandular epithelial tissue. Now the diagram of these epithelial tissues are on your screen. You can see. Next, we studied about muscular tissues. Muscular tissues are the connective tissues which helps in movement of body. It consists of elongated cell called muscle fibers. It contains a protein called contractile protein which contract and relaxes and helps in movement. Muscle can move under our will. Muscle can move under our will are called voluntary muscles. लाइक हमने अपना हाथ हिलाना है, पैर हिलाना है, ठीक है, तो ये वॉलेंट्री मसल है कि हमने अपने अकॉर्डिंगली इसको जब हमें हिलाना हो हम इसको मूव कर सकते हैं. एंड मसल विच डू नॉट मूव अंडर आवर विल आर कॉल्ड इनवॉल्यूंटरी मसल. लाइक हार्ट मसल बीट कर रही हैं और हम उसे रोक नहीं सकते, हम उसे चला नहीं सकते. राइट? इसके थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ muscular tissues are there. Striated muscles first. They are the voluntary muscles having light and dark striation. The cells are long, cylindrical and are multinucleated. They are also called skeletal muscle because they are attached to bones. They help in voluntary movement of the body. Then come unstriated muscle जिन्हें smooth muscle भी बोलते हैं. They are involuntary muscle having no striation. These cells are long and spindle shaped and are uninucleated, single nucleus होता है. They are present in alimentary canal, blood vessels, bronchi of lungs, iris of eye, etc. These helps in involuntary movement. Then comes cardiac muscle. They are involuntary muscle again, having faint striation. The cells are long, cylindrical, branch and multinucleated. They are present in the heart and help in the contraction and relaxation of heart. And now you see the diagram of muscles, these muscles, the muscular tissues. Right? With this we end with our topic this time. Right? We continue with connective tissue in our next video. Thank you very much.